Introduce highlight features and overview of KingCamp Oversized Moon Chairs Padded Seat Heavy Duty. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This saucer chair is wide bucket moon shape, ergonomic design, padded seat and backrest, provide a large and comfortable area. With bright red color, you will have a good day. Made of solid metal frame and 600D Oxford fabric, it promised can afford 300 pounds. With a storage bag on the back of the chair, you can put magazines, keys and other personal item. The cup holder not only can keep your drinks from knocking, but keep your phone at hand. KingCamp Moon Saucer Camping Chair Cup Holder Steel Frame Folding Padded Round Portable Stable Chair. KingCamp Deluxe Stability Portable Folding Camping Chair is perfect to be used indoors and outdoors. Applicable scenarios for the product like picnic, camping, beach, patio parties, fishing. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.